Whether you are submitting a video to an assignment or a discussion board, these instructions will help you for either. If you plan to use your computer, go into Canvas and open the course that you want to submit your video to. Click on the Panopto Video tab in the course. Click on the green Create drop-down and select Panopto Capture. Across the top of the screen you can choose Audio, Video, and Screens and Apps. Usually the audio and video are selected by default, but if you have multiple audio or video choices, you can add or remove these as needed. Under Screens and Apps, you can select a specific application to show or simply share your screen. If while sharing your screen you want to share computer audio, make sure to check the box next to Share Audio. Click on the blue Share button. When you're ready to start recording, click on the red Record button. You'll see a 5-second countdown. Now do your presentation. If you're using your phone to record yourself, you would log into Canvas using the web browser such as Chrome or Firefox. Go into your course and click on the Panopto Video tab. Click on the green Create drop-down and select Panopto Capture. The microphone and camera should be selected. When you are ready, click on the red button to begin recording. You'll see a 5-second countdown. Now do your presentation. After you've completed your recording, whether you're on a computer or using a phone, click on the red button to stop recording. Here's that same view while using a computer. Panopto will take a few seconds to save the recording. As soon as you see the message, "It's safe to close browser window," you can close the Panopto window. Depending on how long your video was, it will take Panopto a few minutes to process your video. To submit the video to the assignment, go into the Canvas course. Open either an assignment or a discussion board. For the assignment, click on Start Assignment. For the discussion, click Reply. Find the green Panopto logo in the text editor toolbar and click on it. You'll see the video you just recorded. Select the video and click on the Insert button. If you are in an assignment, click Submit Assignment. If you're in a discussion, click Post Reply and you're done.